So I got this deformed part due to bad packaging from Hobby Masters, or maybe due to the bad delivery techniques from the courier. But it's okay since I got the blower here. Here, this is my blower, just to make it warm and mendable or moldable. So what you need to do is just heat it, and that's it. Heat the part, and once it's hot, put it here.
Maglalagay ng ganyan.
And what you need to do is fit it properly. Once it's a bit soft, and so now it's soft, you can see it fits the part now. So what I will do is reheat it again. To make the mold fit well, or the part mold on the gray part well, it will fit now. So sa Tagalogin na lang natin, maglalapat na siya dun sa gray part. Nahirapan ako mag-English eh. Ganyan na lang mga guys. Sorry sa mga Amerikano hindi nakakaintindi ng Tagalog. That's it. Okay na. Pwede na yan. Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got here the finished product of the JIEDA Amuro Ray version. And to be honest, there's no difference with this two kit except for the color, obviously, and this part here that is protruding on the chest, the torso. So technically these kit are the same. They got the same height and features, except for this additional part here, but mostly these are just the same. So I will not focus on the review for this kit, except this one solves all the major issue that can be found here in the first release. Since this first release, as I reviewed before in my other video, this has so many tight parts, except no, these have so many tight parts, especially on the shoulder and the waist here, the waist joint there, the peg, and the hip joints. There are so many tight pegs that needs to be sanded, and that's normal and that's easy to give remedy. But here on the Amuro Race version, everything is fixed, everything is resolved. So I didn't sand anything here because all the joints fits perfectly, glides perfectly, no more issue on tight parts, especially on the shoulder. So everything here moves smoothly now, compared with the first release where I did sand and modify some joint. I cut joint there, I cut the socket, but here everything is nice. So the tightness here is perfect for me. I didn't sand this pegs here because for me I got the perfect tightness for the pegs. Okay, so just still just be careful when playing things here, because of course, even though this has the resolve version of the issue, still you need to be careful. Okay, so there we go. I really like the stickers for this kit, especially the Amuro race sign. This is what made me buy this, because I really like Amuro Ray. And there we go, we got this big Amuro Ray insignia. And of course I also put different decals from Darling Decal, these Chinese signature or character. So it's in pair. I got here this big version and the small version. It shines when light hits the surface. Okay, so it's a reflectorized decal. So I want to put this kind of decals to my other kits. And there, this one also can remove it. Can remove to reveal the normal version mode. So if you like it to have the normal version mode, you can remove this part, and that's it. Same with the normal guy here, the first release. But honestly, I don't like the color scheme for this one. It looks so toyish compared with this militaristic green here, military green color. This one feels toyish, and I remember it looks like the color of the MSK DJ. And yep, it looks so gay to me. The color looks gay. Anyway, so I'll just put this back like this, back like that. Okay, and there we go. So, but it's a bit annoying. I don't really like the design of this, and I just like the insignia for the Amuro Raid, the reason I bought this kit. But to be honest, I much like the original one. So let's compare it with the height of my latest Fortune Meow model kit here. So another Amuro Race mobile suit. So there we go. They're almost the same height. So Fortune Meow here is a bit taller than the JIEDA. And wait, I'll just get another kit here, which is another Amuro Race model kit or mobile suit. Of course, the what happened there? MSK DJ. There we go. Got here the MSK DJ from Bandai. So this is the Reborn 100. Their MSK DJ is a bit smaller compared with the other two. So these are all Amuro Rays model kit or mobile suits. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this quick review and commentary video for the JIEDA Amuro Race version. And all I can say is this is a must buy if you really like Amuro Ray. But in terms of design, they don't have any much difference with the first release, except for this two installment here on the torso part, and the color of course differs. So that's it. Goodbye, God bless, take care.